Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already gathered credentials and tools. Now begin. First, verify network access to the database host and open the correct port. Next, install or launch a client that matches your DB engine. Then, prepare a connection string template with host, port, database, user, and password, adding SSL or options as required. Once done, test a basic ping or telnet to the port to confirm reachability before attempting authentication. Now you create and validate the actual connection. In your app or client, insert the connection string and enable SSL or TLS if the server requires encrypted traffic. Configure timeouts and pooling to match expected load. This prevents hung connections. Use environment variables or a secrets manager so passwords are not in source code. Then, attempt an authenticated connection and run a simple select one or equivalent query. Finish by validating functionality. Run a schema listing and perform basic read and write operations to ensure permissions and behavior are correct. Make sure connection pooling and retry policies are set for production use. If something fails, check client logs, authentication logs on the server, and any firewall or VPC rules that could block traffic. One key troubleshooting tip: enable verbose client logging to capture handshake and auth steps. Those logs usually point directly to misconfigured TLS, wrong port, or insufficient grants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.